Hello, guys. This is Paul McMillan II. Welcome to another live New York session. It is December 16, 2025. So before we get started, let's go ahead and check the news. Um, yeah, so we got a lot of news going on after 8:30 in FP today. Okay. We'll probably be out of the market by then. Let's go ahead and get started. So typically what we try to do starting now, we try to look at the daily candle, see if we can develop a daily bias. Um, this is not really a lot of volume, but it looks like there's a lot of volume closing bearish. So we could probably conclude that price is probably going to do a short manipulation of the bulls and distribution of the bears, just based on this sequence. But we'll need to go to the lower time frames to confirm that. So let's go ahead to the 4 minute time for 4 hour time frame. But yeah, it looks like we have a little bit more volume here. So it really looks like that we are overall bullish at this point. So what we're going to do is we're going to mark up buy side and sell side liquidity. So you have a sell side liquidity here because we had a sweep that wiped out this low. Then you have buy side liquidity at here. Then we're going to mark on the ventures, which is a 4 hour fair value gap. And we'll look to here as a 4 hour fair value gap here. But now we have liquidity on both sides here. Now let's just put the 4 hour fair value gap up here. Now let's just do it right here. Now we have liquidity on both sides here. So we're going to have to mark that up on the 1 hour so that way we can get an idea of which area that price is rating first. So let's go to the 1 hour. So when we look at the 1 hour here, we can see that prices, there's liquidity here, there was a raid here, then we got another raid here. Now, price is raiding this area. Now, it looks like that the bull bears are in control, but it looks like we had a raid at this low here. So price invalidates this 4 hour fair value gap, and they may be ready to push up, maybe up to this area, because we are currently bearish at this point. Now, if price invalidates this fair value gap, then they might be ready to take it on up further. So what I'm thinking about doing is go to the 4 hour. I might just make this our point of interest here. We had a range here. So this is uh, so yeah, this is 1 hour sell side liquidity here and prices waiting in this area. So that's what we're looking for now. I want to go to the 15 minute. So as we can see, we got a rate of this low. And so we are overall bearish at this point. So we got a low, we got a grade here, rejection candle, but now we're waiting for a fair value gap close. So if we get a close, we might be able to take it up to this fair value gap because we're overall bearish. So price might pull back to here. So I would say this is our TP here. And then the prices are strong enough that it might be a second TP, maybe up to this high here, both before we go see that. Because at this point, because at this point, we're all bearish at this point. Now, now we have a raid here. So we had a raid right here, and then price pushed up, and then now it looks like a moment pullback. So we will want to wait for a fair value gap close here to at least go up to here, maybe up to here. So you log into that put trading account. Goes to futures. Yeah. And it's like we got a chance number here. Let's see if price close to that. But we'll see if the next candle closes above this and gives some strength, then we'll take it up. So we got about less than 6 minutes. We'll take it up to there. Might stretch it out to here. Let's see if we reach that volume. It's close to 20. J38 ticks. Stop loss. 250. So what we're going to do is pause this recording with the next kind of closing back, and we'll take it. I will be right back. Okay, so we got a couple, we got less than a minute before this hits. So I'm gonna practice in my paper trading account. in my 100K practice account and top one futures. So let's see if yeah, listen. 3, 2, 1. So let me do this. Then I'm going to do my top one features account as well.
Order filled.
That walls down here. And target it to here.